In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove contacts from list on Hubspot. This process is useful when a static list includes people who should no longer be part of a campaign, a workflow, or a specific outreach group. Keep in mind that removing a contact from a list does not delete the contact from your Hubspot CRM. It only takes them out of that specific list, so you can keep your segmentation accurate and up to date. To get started, log into your Hubspot account and look at the main navigation. Go to CRM and then select Lists. This will open the Lists area where you can find both static and active lists. For this tutorial, you will be working with a static list because static lists let you manually add or remove contacts. Once you are on the Lists page, find the static list you want to edit and click the list name to open it. Give the page a moment to load fully, especially if the list is large, so you can see the complete set of contacts. Next, you will select the contacts you want to remove. In the table of contacts, click the checkbox next to each contact you want to take out of the list. Take your time here and verify you are selecting the correct records. A good habit is to quickly scan the visible details in each row so you do not remove someone by mistake. After you have selected the right contacts, look for the More option above the table. Click More and then choose Remove from List. Hubspot will show a confirmation step before making the change. This is your last chance to double-check your selection. To complete the removal, click Remove. Hubspot will then update the list and the selected contacts will no longer be members of that static list. If you need to confirm, you can refresh the list view or use the search within the list to make sure those contacts are no longer included. That covers everything you need to know.